What's up, y'all? This is TNT Barbecue with a Southern explosive taste. Hey guys, I got a brisket right here. And I know I got a lot of brisket videos, so I'm not gonna bore y'all with the trimming process. I'm gonna go and y'all look at the playlist. And I'm gonna put my trimming videos up on the playlist, okay? They're on the iCard up above, okay? So bring y'all guys in, and I'm finna just get this brisket cleaned up. Do what TNT do, and we'll go from there, all right? Okay? So I'm gonna start with some Fiesta fajita seasoning. It's a good season, I'll tell you what. It's great on beef. I just do a variable coat, make sure I get all sides. Make sure I get the edges. Edges need love too. So I'm just gonna pack that in. I'm gonna go off with a little garlic. I'm gonna do this. Hit the edges with a little garlic. Okay. This is granulated garlic. Add that in. My all-time favorite, Calvin of the Greek season, okay? And man, you should smell this right here. And I'm layering the flavors. I'm gonna pack that in. Edge is real good. And the bark gonna be amazing. I tell you what. And I think I'm gonna leave this kosher salt out. I may put a little kosher salt on there, but I'm just gonna go on with some black pepper, coarse ground. And that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the season job, and I'll bring y'all in when I'm done, okay? So that's what we did. And like I say, a little salt just to So that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna pat it in, let that sit, and flip it over, all right? All right, guys. So I'm bringing you. Yes, I'm back with that electric smoker stuff. I got that Cookshack. So that's what we cooking on today. Call it Cookshack, okay? So I believe it's the Cookshack Latex, made in the USA. Guys, I'm telling you this. I've been watching reviews. I fell over this grill a long time ago. When I had the opportunity to get one, I got it, okay? But I'm bringing it open right now. It's insulated. I cleaned it up, seasoned it up again yesterday because I put a good clean on it yesterday. And you bring out this little cooking tray right here. And I guess all the wood I had on there yesterday cooked out. So what I'm gonna add today is I got some of this oak lump charcoal. So I'm gonna add some oak lump charcoal to it. I'm gonna do a couple pieces of that. Not too much, because look at it. This, you can tell this is great quality charcoal, okay? And I'm gonna add some pecan to it. So pecan to this right here. So only thing I wish is just that it was a little bigger for the chunks. I'm gonna add some pecan chunks to it, okay? This is just regular. It may be too big, but we'll try it. I'm trying a little. I don't think I may put this out and put this in right here. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So that's what we add, guys, okay? So, fat side up. Ooh, this is a big baby right here. I'm going to push it in. And hopefully, yeah. So, it barely fits in there. So we're going to push it. I can get one more, I think, in there. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm finna go ahead and lock it down. So the Cookshack is locked, brisket is on. I'm not gonna put a probe in there until it's time. We're finna rock and roll, guys. I'm let this thing. All right, guys. So the Cookshack is smoking away. I'm getting this. Guys, I'm telling you what, man. I'm getting a very smoky smell out of this Cookshack. I did put a probe in. So I got one part of the brisket 137. The other part of it is 136. Another part of it is 144. And then I got 145. Then I got the pit, the top part of it, where I got the clamp at, is 185 degrees. I know it's higher than that, but that's the heat that's coming off the brisket. I just got to lay it on the top, the probe laying on top, so it's just getting the heat that's coming around the brisket. So, like I say, I got it cut to 250. So I'm gonna go and take a glance at what we're looking at, guys, just to see it. I know I want to open it, but I want to look at it. So we're getting some color. I'm seeing a color. I'm seeing some browning going on. So I'm gonna close this up and let it continue smoking. I shouldn't have opened it, but oh well. Oh, guys, I'm not gonna open this. I'm not gonna do anything for the next 8 hours, and we'll be done. Okay? So about 8 o'clock tonight, this will be done. Peace. All right, guys, let's give a brief situation, okay? I got my two partners here from the Chi-Town. My boy Shu, my boy Dale. Hey, guys, we cooked with Charlie Daniels. Did we, y'all guys?
Charlie! Yeah, Charlie.
And I remember when we was cooking, and when Charlie Daniels hit his note, when the devil came down to Georgia, what happened, guys? The lightning just struck, concert was over.
From the sky.
From the sky, and TNT fled. We fled, guys.
We're big boys, though.
Yeah, we big boys. So, it's good to be back with my people, man. I tell you what, these guys, I love them to death. Okay, guys, let's talk about this brisket, okay? This brisket right here, guys, was cooked in the Cookshack, okay? Electric Smoker, all right?
Cookshack.
Cookshack. One time for Cookshack.
Look at that.
Hashtag Cookshack, baby. And I'm finna bring you in for a slice. I got to show up and show out about these guys. If I don't do good, they're gonna talk some crazy stuff about that thing.
Yes, we will.
They're gonna talk noise. So bring us in, baby. Let me go ahead and cut it, okay?
Just saying, don't get nervous.
Yeah, don't get nervous. No.
Look at this stuff, y'all.
All right, yeah. So
that's how you know, right there. See the juices as he cut it? Yes.
Okay.
Juicy. He had to cut my half off first before they started eating.
All right, look at that though.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about right
Delicious.
Yes.
Yeah, that shit squeezing out of there.
Oh, look at that juices. Oh man. So I'm finna cut one right now. We're gonna do a taste test. Yeah, this thing is juicy. Oh yeah. Got good bark. Oh my goodness. It's not bad for electric smoker. My boy Shoe want this push right here. Mm-hmm. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
What kind of lights you got?
Well, eat all y'all want to, man, please. Alright, so, alright, I'm gonna cut 3 slices. I'm gonna cut 3 of these pieces right here for me and my boy. We're finna see what they think, and hopefully they give me a good review.
Oh, we only get half of one?
No, you're gonna get a lot more fun in the case that up. We don't wanna be on video, we gotta talk, so let's go, guys. Okay.
They're like, well.
I can taste the smoke, can you?
The smoke. Yes.
Can you taste the smoke? Can you see a little bit of
And
smoke?
that, yes, and that juice popping out of there, wow, it's straight in my mouth.
Mm-hmm.
I almost said something bad, but I ain't
This is a kid show.
I ain't go there. I know there's a wrong man here. I ain't go there.
2 thumbs up.
Okay, so
That's nice.
2 thumbs. Let's see about the hell. So that's a fold test. We got a fold. Okay.
Dripping off there?
I see it dripping.
Juices.
Now let's see how it pulls. Oh yeah, pulls apart real good. So guys, I think it's a home run. I ain't got the smoke ring that I wanted, but I ain't got the smoke flavor. So guys, this is my boy Shoe,
2 thumbs up.
my boy Dale. What'd you get, Dale?
The whole roast.
So guys, this TNT barbecue with a southern explosive taste. I want to thank my boys for coming through here and eating this food with us. I love these guys.
Chi-Town, we finally won.
Oh yeah. Okay. One time for FLA where we stay playing parlay. One time for Owan, Iowa, representing.
Yes.
All right, guys, we out of here. God
We're
bless.
out.